guys, welcome back to my channel again, Karna XR Gaming Productions. So we are continuing the lecture series where we have left from the previous video. If you are new to this video or if you are directly watching this video, please go and watch the previous videos and come to this video so that it can help you a lot. If you really like the video, please do like, share and subscribe with your friends. If you really like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please comment on what different types of topics which you want me to still throw some light. So without wasting further time, let's dive into the video. So yesterday, in the previous video, I have came up to here, right? I think I haven't missed anything. So now what can be done is, see, here we have done a small mistake. What is the mistake? Let me tell you. Okay, let me assume that, now what happened here is, actually, see, what you have done is, you have checked the two interruptions from here and here, but the problem here is it is selecting the coin and directly hitting the coin, because we have written program like that. So instead of this, you have to change something like this. Means what? See, the direction in which the coin has to go is this direction, but if you are applying force in this direction, the coin will go in this direction. Okay, so this angle will create a problem here, because due to this angle, okay, assume that if this angle is exactly 0, means what? The coin will be somewhere here. If the coin is exactly somewhere here, okay, then it can directly go to this particular case. It can directly go to like this. So this angle, let me say, this angle will be almost 0 degree, so that it can directly go. But here, why this is 0? Because these two vectors are perfectly aligned. Okay, so I am very poor at drawing, but just try to understand that this vector and this vector are almost, the angle between them is 0 degrees. But in this case, the angle is not 0. You are having some angle here. So in order to overcome this one, what I am going to do is, okay, now in order to overcome this particular problem, let us assume again the striker is somewhere here. Okay, the striker is somewhere here and the coin is somewhere here. Okay, so now what I am going to do is, first, after selecting the hole from here, what I will do is, I have to send the striker, let me do one ray cast from this hole to this particular coin and come back, and here the striker has to come here. So this is the point where striker has to come. So I will be hitting striker in this particular direction, so that this will apply the force in this direction and it makes coin to fall into the hole. Okay, so that so after selecting the hole, okay, from here, our final position of striker must be here. It can be, so you have to send the striker to this particular point, okay, to make this coin to fall into the hole, right? So now it can be anywhere. Let me assume that the coin is here, then again you have to raycast from this particular hole, okay, and from here to fall into this hole, you have to make striker to come this particular position and you have to hit here. Okay, it can be anywhere else, sir. Okay, the coin, if the coin is somewhere here, let me assume the coin is somewhere here, then you have to raycast from this hole to back side, and you have to make sure the striker comes this particular position from here. Okay, now we are going to do that. How? Let us see. So basically what I will do is, I will initialize two particular directions, temporary direction, and this direction varies continuously from one point to one particular point position to another. Okay, let's dive into the program. So yeah, now before applying here, what I will be doing is, see here. Now first vector 3 temp dir equal to, so this is vector 3, the temporary direction which I am taking, that is from target. Target means the coin to hole in that particular direction. Means what? Let me show in the, let me explain. So assume this is a target. Okay, let me clear this all. Assuming this as my target, this particular coin as my target. Okay, assuming this particular coin as my target. Now what I am going to do, I am going to first raycast from this particular direction, this particular direction. So this is vector 1, temp dir 1, you can call like that. Okay, right? So let me draw neatly. Let me erase this all. Assume that, okay, this here is the striker. This is a striker. Okay, let me change the color. Okay, so this is a striker, this is a striker, and let me assume this is some coin. Okay, it can be anywhere, just randomly I am putting this one. So now first I will do temp dir1 in this particular direction. This is, let me say, temp dir striker, and this is a coin. Okay, when you assume these two like this, this is striker, let us assume this is striker. Now first this is, okay, this is, this is temp dir1. Temp dir. Okay, so that we have programmed here. Okay, let me say one is not there. So this is temp dir. Okay, right. Now in this direction, okay, what we have to do now is, in this particular direction, okay, I have to send striker to this particular position. Okay, so this is nothing but a coin radius plus striker radius in this direction, Okay, so my striker final position has to be here. Okay, let me draw you neatly. So my striker final position has to be somewhere here, right? So from here to here. So if you clearly zoom out here, you can get this one. This is coin radius plus striker radius. Okay, so that I have programmed here. See, striker final position is target transform dot position plus temp dir into striker radius plus, you need to be very good at geometry, coordinate geometry, sir. Okay, so target transform dot position, why you have written this? So this is the target object, this position in this direction. We are in this direction, this is the final position, so we are putting our striker final position here. Okay, right. Now what we need to do, we need to add the force on the striker in this particular direction. Okay, we need to add the force in this particular direction to send the striker to this point. so that that striker hits the coin and it can go to hole, selected hole. Okay, so for that, see here, this is the force direction. This is from where final to initial, which means striker final position to striker actual position in that particular direction. That is the force direction in which we are applying the force on the striker to pocket the coin, okay, or the target, and we are applying the force here. Okay, now let us run in Unity. Okay, so let us see what is going to happen in Unity. Yeah, one coin has been hit perfectly. Okay, everything is perfectly set now. Okay, now we have to go for next strike. What we need to go for next strike? Again, we need to place the striker in one particular position, and again it has to select which coin is preferable for it to pocket that particular coin, or it has to select again new target by putting in the some particular position. So let me say for to make it easy, I will put striker again in the same position, and I'll again apply force, and again. So in next strike, what we are doing, we are just waiting for 5 seconds. Okay, and we are putting again striker at initial position. This is directly I have taken these particular values here. Let me show you. Okay, yeah, these values I have taken directly and I have coded here. You can take whatever the values you want. And next I am again starting a coroutine inside a coroutine, just to wait just for time of 2 seconds, so that all before clearing all these things I have to put this one. Yeah, this is for the next strike. So what I am doing, I am clearing all the lists which I have created in the program. Okay, this one I have already mentioned you that here in this particular case, here in writing the logic of this program, I said you have to clear all the lists. Yeah, here if you see here I have detailedly mentioned that you have to clear all the lists. So here I have cleared all the lists which I have created, and again what I did, I have just cleared, just wait for 5 seconds, and next striker is kept at this particular position, and I'm just waiting for 2 seconds. So if anything is still running, that will be stopped, and now I'm again going for the next one. Okay, again I'll search for again this whole process continues, and again you will get one particular target with one particular hole, and again that particular will be selected. This process continues. Now let us see in Unity how this is going to become, right? So yeah, at first it has chosen this particular coin. I think I haven't given the connection here. So let me give the connection. Yeah, I haven't given the connection here. I have to start the coroutine. Instead of writing coroutine, there are also many particular functions that invoke. Yeah, so here we have got the reference. Okay, now let us see again. Yeah, it has hit the first coin. It has placed here. It has chosen this particular coin, and yes, striker has fell into the hole. So you are getting null reference. Okay, right. Now how to overcome this one? Now to overcome the striker problem, what we can do is on collision enter, which is there in a down collider. Here you can just check the condition that if collision dot game object dot name is equal to striker, then you need not to destroy. Okay, just put the striker in one particular position, or you can say that game collision dot game object dot transform dot position is equal to, you can directly put it initial position of the striker. That is what you can test here. That is already we have used that particular thing here, right? Yeah, this one. So here I am putting this one. So if striker is being collided, then it will directly come to here. You can also write for other something like when red is being pocketed also, you can test the condition here. So but let us now directly do only these thing, only this one. Okay, right, now let us start our game now again. So first it will hit this coin. Yeah, it went directly into the hole. Again it is going to hit some other coin. It has hit this part. Yeah, striker has been fallen. Again I think I have kept the strike STR now, right? Let us do again. I think the spelling is STRA. That is the one thing. Control C. Sorry. STRIKER. Okay, right. Now let us again start this. So first it is going to hit this coin. Okay, very good. Next it is going to hit this coin, I hope. I don't know why it is hitting this coin, but okay, not an issue. So striker has been to access it. After putting, again you are destroying, so you have to put here else. Okay, now it comes into, now this is perfect. Okay, now let us see what is going to happen. Yeah, first coin has been pocketed. Next coin is going to be pocketed again. So yeah, take this one. Since the force is also being continuously applied, so what we have to do is we need to make that particular force also to be 0. So what I'll do is I'll bring that velocity also, it becomes collision dot now what this will do, this will just directly place this particular striker exactly at this position. Now let us see what is going to happen. Now we are going to do this one. At first it has hit this particular coin. Next it is choosing this coin, I hope. Yeah, it fell down. Now it came here again. Okay, again where is the striker now? I think it went into infinite loop. Okay, so we'll address this problem in the next video, so please stay tuned. I think it has went into some infinite loop or it has got struck. So